Jordan Williams's family gather at his gravesite.
It's absolutely devastating to have a whole family in one place.
The 20-year-old died 4 years ago during a psychotic episode while under the care of Kalgoorlie's mental health unit.
If there was a proper facility here, Jordan wouldn't be dead now. I miss my nephew. I miss that great big smile. And I can still hear his voice in my head.
In the inquest into Jordan Williams's death, coroner Michael Jenkin heard conditions in the unit were so poor, visiting workers refused to return.
That facility is not set up properly to deal with these sort of people and cases.
When somebody's in the care of a hospital facility, they should be safe.
The coroner recommended a new mental health unit, saying it needed more staff and beds to meet the region's needs. Sharon Duffy also struggled to get help for her son Bryce.
He was suicidal and we needed help at the hospital, which was really hard because there's no child mental health beds at the hospital to admit children under 18. And so, we just went home and had to deal with it ourselves and the family.
Bryce Duffy died at the start of last year. Just months after his death, Sharon joined a ministerial task force into mental health. She wants the state government to create beds for suicidal youth in Kalgoorlie.
I think it would mean a lot to me. Just knowing that, not as many families would have to go, well, no families hopefully, will have to go through what my family has and, lose someone that they love. Yeah.
There are only 6 mental health beds in the resources-rich Goldfields region.
In the Goldfields here especially, we bust our ass and we work. We create a lot of money for this country, and yet we have the least of everything.
It beggars belief that the McGowan government have ignored these critical issues on the back of some of the highest suicide rates in the country.
I can no longer count on my hands how many friends my age have lost their life to suicide. With their death, it feels like they became a number, added to a tally, discussed for a day.
Amy Astle has lived in Kalgoorlie all her life.
Young people here are screaming and asking for help. We deserve to have facilities and services here that service the community that is serving the state.
Despite the coroner's calls and pressure from grieving families, the state government didn't allocate any money for a new mental health unit in its May budget. The health minister says she's still considering the proposal, while local families are worried it'll again be too late before action is taken. Tarek Goodwin, ABC News, Kalgoorlie.